Here's a look at how to create receipts and invoices on SelGence. To print a receipt or invoice, please go to the Sales Drivers page and to the Sales Transactions table where you would find a list of your sales records. Please ensure client name is unique per customer, as receipts and invoices will pick all records by unique name. You need to be the creator of a sales record in order to be able to print receipt or invoice for that record. If you selected unpaid as payment when creating the sales record, you would see a link to print an invoice for that record. If, however, you selected paid as payment when creating the sales record, you would see a link to print a receipt for that record. However, you can edit the sales record anytime on the Sales Transactions table to print either a receipt or invoice. Just click Edit for the sales record in question, and in the form that appears, go to the payment field, which you can change to either paid or unpaid. You may still select unpaid for a sales record that was partially paid. You will be able to manage this record on your debtor page. Now, let's click on a receipt link to print a receipt. On the receipt page, details such as client name, date due, details, client address, cost of delivery, service charge, are taken from the latest transaction of the customer based on transaction date on your sales records. You may click on the first product on the list to edit this values. Furthermore, we have your logo and values for payment details, phone number, email address. These are taken from your brand details, and you may click on any of the values to update them if you are the brand creator. You can bulk edit transactions and change their payment field to either paid or unpaid, and also print a receipt or invoice for a client for a week or month. To do that, please go to the Sales Drivers page. Then, right below the charts, you'd find forms to fill to search for a client sales record for a week and for a month. This form is pre-filled with values from your last sales record. Good. Let's submit this form to search for this customer's sales. Now, on the results page, you may change all the sales record from unpaid to paid, so you can print one receipt for all the sales records by clicking this button. You may change all the sales record to from paid to unpaid, so you can print one invoice for all the sales records by clicking this button. You may print a receipt or invoice for all transactions made by this customer for the whole month by clicking these buttons. Please note, however, that you need to be the creator of a sales record in order to be able to print either a receipt or invoice for a sales record. You may print as PDF using the print button above the page. Great. That's our look at your Sales Drivers page. SelGence. Add intelligence to your business.